The wait is finally over. And if you have been holding on to your current wearable, you are about to understand why 2026 is the year everything changes. We are looking at the Apple Watch Ultra 4, a device that isn't just an iteration, it is a complete paradigm shift in how we monitor our health, interact with the digital world, and push the boundaries of extreme environments. Forget what you think you know about smartwatches because Apple has engineered a piece of technology that bridges the gap between a high-end medical monitor and a piece of indestructible aerospace hardware. This isn't just about a new screen or a slightly faster processor. It is about the integration of revolutionary sensors that were once confined to professional research laboratories. From the moment you strap this onto your wrist, you will notice the redesigned titanium chassis, which feels lighter yet significantly more robust, utilizing a new crystalline structure that makes it practically impervious to surface damage. But the exterior is just the beginning. Deep inside the case lies the S11 SiP, a chip so efficient that it finally brings the dream of week-long battery life to the Ultra line without sacrificing the vibrant, ultra-high-definition MicroLED display. This display is the star of the show, bright enough to be read in direct sunlight under the harshest desert conditions, yet sensitive enough to dim automatically based on your ambient environment to save every millisecond of power. But why does this matter to you? Because for the first time, your watch knows how you feel before you even consciously realize you are stressed, dehydrated, or approaching the limits of your cardiovascular capacity. We are talking about non-invasive glucose monitoring that has been refined to clinical-grade accuracy, a feature that has been the holy grail of wearable tech for a decade. This is not just for athletes. It is for anyone who values their data and wants to optimize their lifestyle with precision that was previously impossible. As we dive deeper into the software, the WatchOS 13 integration feels less like an operating system and more like a personal concierge living on your wrist. The haptic feedback engine has been completely overhauled, providing subtle, localized pulses that feel like a gentle tap on your skin rather than a mechanical vibration. Imagine navigating through a dense forest or a busy city street without ever looking at your watch. The haptic navigation tells you exactly when to turn, letting you stay present in the moment while the technology works silently in the background. Then there is the satellite connectivity. While previous versions allowed for basic emergency SOS, the Ultra 4 introduces dual-band satellite messaging that remains stable even in deep canyons or during extreme weather events. This is peace of mind evolved, ensuring you are never truly disconnected, no matter where your passion takes you. The durability factor has also been pushed to the absolute limit. We have tested this against saltwater corrosion, extreme thermal fluctuations from -20 to over 60 degrees Celsius, an impact test that would shatter any standard glass screen. The result is a device that treats abuse as a baseline expectation. But let's talk about the health suite, because this is where Apple has truly disrupted the market. The new sensory array captures blood pressure trends, real-time hydration levels, and even atmospheric toxicity warnings. Whether you're a professional climber, a deep-sea diver, or a busy executive managing high-stress environments, the Ultra 4 acts as an early warning system. It tracks your recovery metrics with such granular detail that it suggests exactly when to push harder and when to prioritize rest, effectively turning your watch into a professional grade coach that lives on your arm 24/7. As we reach the middle of this deep dive, you might be asking, is this really worth the upgrade? The answer lies in the ecosystem. The seamless handshake between your iPhone, your Mac, and now the Vision Pro creates a unified digital experience that is unparalleled. The Ultra 4 acts as a bridge, unlocking your devices instantly, acting as a spatial controller for augmented reality, and managing your smart home with proactive automation that anticipates your needs. This isn't just a gadget. It is the central node of your digital life. The transition from the Ultra 3 to the 4 represents the biggest leap in sensor technology since the introduction of the first heart rate sensor. The data points you get, VO2 max, HRV, sleep cycles, and now metabolic health monitoring, are curated into actionable insights that actually help you live longer and healthier. Consider the design philosophy of the Action Button, which is now fully customizable with multi-stage pressure sensitivity. You can trigger different functions depending on how hard you press, allowing you to control your camera, initiate an emergency recording, or toggle your smart home scenes with just a tactile command. This level of hardware-software synergy is exactly why Apple continues to lead. And with the Ultra 4, they have effectively rendered all other smartwatches obsolete for the power user. Even the charging system has been optimized with a new magnetic induction pad that delivers a 50% charge in just 15 minutes, ensuring that even if you forget to charge it overnight, you are ready to go before you finish your morning coffee.